The Dodge Charger RT Road Track from 1968 to 1970 is one of the most recognizable and sought-after American muscle cars, thanks to its bold styling, powerful engines, and starring role in movies and TV shows like Bullitt and the Dukes of Hazzard. Built as the performance version of the Charger lineup, the RT quickly became a symbol of Mopar muscle power. Exterior design. In 1968, Dodge introduced a completely new Charger body with the now famous Coke bottle shape, a curvy, aggressive silhouette with a long hood, recessed doors, and muscular rear haunches. The hidden headlamps behind a full-width grille gave it a sinister, clean look, while the fastback roofline added aerodynamic flair. The RT package came with special badging, bumblebee tail stripes, and dual exhaust tips. In 1969, the Charger gained a divided grille and updated taillights, along with the option for the Daytona Aero package with a huge rear wing and nose cone. By 1970, the Charger was slightly refined again with a wraparound chrome front bumper and minor trim updates, cementing its place as one of the best-looking muscle cars of its era. Interior design. Inside, the Charger RT offered a driver-focused yet comfortable layout. Standard features included bucket seats, a 3-spoke steering wheel, and a full set of performance gauges. Options like wood grain trim, Rally instrument clusters, high-back bucket seats, and premium audio systems added luxury touches. Rear seating was surprisingly roomy for a muscle car, making it a true performance coupe with practicality. The overall feel was sporty, bold, and upscale compared to many competitors. Power, performance. The Charger RT came standard with a 440 cubic inch Magnum V8, producing 375 horsepower and massive torque, making it a street powerhouse. The most famous option, however, was the 426 HEMI V8, officially rated at 425 horsepower, though real output was closer to 470 plus. With the HEMI, the Charger RT could blast from 0-60 mph in around 5.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest muscle cars of its time. Buyers could choose between a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed torque flight automatic, both backed by heavy-duty suspension and performance rear axles. The Charger RT wasn't just straight-line fast, it had a commanding road presence that defined the Mopar era. Old prices. When new, the Dodge Charger RT was surprisingly affordable. In 1968, the base price started at about $3,575, with the HEMI option adding roughly $600, $700 more. Even a well-optioned Charger rarely exceeded $400-$500, making it attainable for enthusiasts of the time. Modern market prices. Today, the Charger RT is one of the most desirable classic Mopars. A standard 440-powered RT in good condition usually sells for $90,140, while fully restored or rare, option cars reach $150,200. The legendary HEMI Charger RT is far more valuable, often fetching $250,400, with some ultra-rare originals selling for over $500 at top auctions. In Europe and the UK, where these cars are scarce, prices are even higher, often ranging from £100 to $250 depending on originality and engine. In summary, the 1970 Dodge Charger RT combined one of the most iconic muscle car designs ever with big block Mopar power. Once sold new for under $4,000, today it's a 6-figure collector's dream, with HEMI-powered models ranking among the most valuable American muscle cars in history.